Today I'm going to teach you how to make the most adorable teacher gift bag in less than 5 minutes with just a few supplies. If you've been following me for any amount of time, you know that I love keeping solid gift bags on hand so I can make them for any occasion. I already have on my YouTube channel, I already have a video for a Father's Day bag, and then how to make what was the other one? I think it was just generic. No, a baby gift bag. And so today we're going to focus on teachers. You're going to need a ruler. Well, first you need your white gift bag, which white because it looks like notebook paper. A ruler, which I'm not much on rulers, but this one we need a ruler. And then I pulled out these paper mates. These are the dual-sided, and one side is a brush pen, and then one is just a regular tip, a regular point tip. What do you call it? Felt tip. Okay, so I'm not even going to use pencil. If you want to, you could use an erasable pen or pencil, but why not just go for it? You should time me on this. We should time this. Okay, I'm going to start with my blue, and I'm going to start at the very bottom, and I'm just using my ruler, and I'm lining it up to at the bottom. Oh, wait, I like using the brush side. I like the thicker lines, so I'm going to use the brush tip. Okay, let's get started. Ready? Are you going to time me? And I'm just going to line that one up with this one. You just want to make sure it dries enough to where you don't smear it. Watch me smear it. That would not be good. Oh, what I'm seeing is if you get, which I am getting, marker on the ruler, then you could get some smear marks. So just be careful. Just keep that in mind. But so far, so good. I think it looks good. I don't know if it looks straight. Well, let's look here and see. Pretty good. Okay, so that's how the notebook paper looks. Now we want to do the side, which is red. So we've got blue lines horizontal, and now we're going to grab our red marker and make a straight line down, and I'm just using the edge of this as my guide. Perfect. Okay. Now, and it kind of bounced a little because of the back of it. You know, that's fine. That's fine. We're not going for perfection here. And then I took a black marker just so it would stand out, and I wrote the teacher name. And you could do that with the brush pen side or the other side, but we're just going to go for it right here. I used to be a teacher. Did you know that? I'm still a teacher, but I teach lettering instead. I used to teach 5th grade. I have such a sweet spot for teachers right now. I know that it's hard. I remember the first week getting into school, standing all day, and my feet have never hurt so bad. So my heart goes out to you. I know these first few weeks will be extra tough, especially getting your bluff in, learning how to discipline, but still being the fun teacher that, you know, that we want our kids to think that we're fun, but we're firm, right? Anyway, I pray for you. I wish you the best of luck this year, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Okay, now that we've finished lettering the bag, we're going to take a piece of tissue paper that coordinates, and it's a rectangle, this one is, okay? And I'm just going to take the very center of it, and I'm going to shake it and pull it up, and then take this hand and just kind of guide it over like so. You don't want it to be all wrinkly. Old tissue paper usually needs to be tossed in the trash because it doesn't look like a fresh gift. Sometimes we try to save it, but take a look at how this looks when we stick it in there. See how fresh that is and nice? Okay, and here is the other sample here. So hopefully you're inspired to bless another teacher with, just a little something to let them know that you're going to appreciate them this year. Have a wonderful week and a wonderful school year. Oh, did y'all stop the timer?